Alright, people and pets, welcome to Michigan Barn Nights. We got the old Arctic Cat 300 4x4 back in the garage. Starter came in, so we're going to see if we can't put her back in. Say hi, Rex. Yeah. So here she blows. A nice, not cute, I don't even know. So out of the bag she is. Get out there. Shiny. So I guess we can't see if we can't put that in there. Alright. See if she fits. Slide her nice and down in here. Aye, something right. I don't know. Doesn't seem like it wants a seat in there. Let's check the other one. Well, I mean, seems to be in there, but I guess we really won't tell until we start it. You can't tell, there's a cable in the way. So if you see in there, you can see they're still shiny. Well, there's that O-ring that's in there, and I just hope it's seated. But I mean, it's hard to see. She's seated tight against the case. It just needs a little tweaking, but so I guess we'll try to line it up, run some bolts in there, hook it up, see if she chooches over. So I guess we'll probably just put you on a time lapse. I snugged up good, so I guess we'll see if we can't drop the positive nut in here like we did last time. Washers on there? Nope. By the way, in case you were wondering, I did scrape all the grease out of there. There was a good pile of some sand. Definitely a lot of sand. Nope, why would it be? This is looking promising so far. Oop, spill a little gas there. So, a long time ago, the old booterator that goes from the carburetor to the airbox, rotted into 52.5 pieces. So, you just go to your local hardware and you go buy a radiator boot that looks pretty close to the same, and you just cut it. My suggestion, cut it a little longer. Mine's a little short, but she works. It can really be a bugger though. The radiator hose sometimes. Getting her in there. Down and around. I just gotta fight with her a little. See? No clamps required. Custom fuel lineage here. It's fine. Well, hey, I think all we need is a little bit of power, and we can see if she chooches over. Alright. So we got the shiny new starter down in there. Let's plug our breather boots back into there. It's fine. Okay. Oh, I got juice. Well, that sounded real promising like. Don't see no oil spraying out or nothing. I think we're good to go. Well, that turned into a pretty easy job in the end. Not too bad. Alright, so I guess if you guys start following my videos from here on out, I guess you'll probably see a little more of this old workhorse out doing its thing. The winter time we'll put a plow on here in the front, an old Craftsman plow that's been improvised a couple of different times, and it just kind of runs back to the middle and across and up and down with a winch. And it actually works really good. I gotta fix my reverse light. I made it so it works off this handle right here, so when you go in reverse, this light back here comes on. Really handy in the wintertime when you're plowing snow, because you know it's dark at about noon it seems. So she's got something up with it, so I gotta figure it out, diagnose it. I'm probably gonna walk you through how I made that happen, because there really isn't any videos on YouTube, at least that I've seen, that shows how that works. It was pretty confusing. It took me a while a few years ago to figure it out, but now that I got it figured out and I've done another one, it's actually not that bad. So I will try to make a video of that, and if you guys want to see anything else on this thing, just let me know, and I'll drop a comment down in the old comment box down there. And it seems to work good now. I guess we'll put it all back together and go see if we can't have some fun with it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.